How to estimate your take-home pay, explained simply. Whether you are starting a new job, weighing up a pay rise, or just trying to budget more accurately, knowing how to estimate your take-home pay is one of the most practical money skills you can have. You do not need a calculator or a spreadsheet. With a few simple steps, you can get a realistic figure in a matter of minutes. Your gross salary is your total pay before any deductions. This is the figure on your contract or job offer letter. Everything else is calculated from this number, so always start here. The personal allowance for 2025 to 2026 is £12,570. Subtract this from your gross salary to find your taxable income. On a gross salary of £28,000, 28,000 minus 12,570 equals £15,430 of taxable income. For most employees, income tax is 20% on taxable income. Take your taxable income and multiply by 20%. On £15,430, multiply by 20% equals £3,086 in income tax for the year. Divide by 12, approximately £257.17 a month. National insurance is calculated on the same NI liable earnings at 8%. On £15,430, multiply by 8% equals £1,234.40 for the year. Divide by 12, approximately £102.87 a month. If you are in a workplace pension, subtract your monthly contribution from your estimate. On a £28,000 salary, qualifying earnings are £21,760. 5% of that equals £1,088 a year, approximately £90.67 a month. On a £28,000 salary, gross monthly pay is £2,333.33. Subtract income tax of £257.17. Subtract national insurance of £102.87. Subtract pension of £90.67. Estimated monthly take-home, approximately £1,882.62. This is useful when you receive a job offer and want to quickly estimate your monthly take-home, when you are budgeting and need a realistic net pay figure, or when you are considering a pay rise and want to understand the real monthly difference. A common mistake is estimating take-home pay by simply dividing the salary by 12. Dividing £28,000 by 12 gives £2,333 a month. But after standard deductions, the realistic take-home is closer to £1,882. That gap of around £450 a month matters enormously when budgeting. To recap, subtract the personal allowance, apply 20% income tax and 8% national insurance on the remainder, then subtract any pension contribution. It is a close estimate. Your exact figure depends on your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday money explained simply.